I have shared the link.
हाँ जी, आई एम डूइंग
Hmm.
इट। ठीक है। हम रिकॉर्ड पे डाला हुआ ना आपने सेशन?
Yes, sir. It's on recording.
Hello everyone. Is my voice audible to everyone? Good evening. Hello Anuradha. Hello Naresh. Arav. Okay, great. Okay, yes. Hello everyone. Hello Sharon. Hello everyone. We have amazing people right now live. And just now I came home from a recording. And again, we are having a recording. A lot of recordings here and there. We're gonna start in 30 seconds. Okay, let me check if my voice is not there. 1 second. एक बार ऑडियो सेट कर लूँ, 1 सेकंड बस। हेलो एवरीवन, बस 1 मिनट दीजिए मेरे को एवरीवन। आई जस्ट सेट माय व्हाट यू कॉल्ड AirPods so that my voice is more amazing and more beautiful. Perfect. We're gonna start. We're just gonna start in 30 seconds. Don't mind. Yes. अभी मेरा आवाज आ रहा है सबको? Is my voice audible to everyone? Please put a message in the comment section. Thank you. Today we're gonna talk about nice milestones, amazing milestones. We're gonna talk about. I'm just sharing the link because many people want to enter in the group. I'm just sharing the link. This session will be around for 30 to 40 minutes. This session will be spoken in English and Hindi language. And in this session, we're going to ask a lot of amazing questions pertaining to pediatrics. And I want you to participate. These questions are the topic of choice is milestones, and we're going to ask little rare milestones. I'm not going to ask you this simple milestone sitting with support, sitting without support. You have been reading them. I'll be asking you something which are important for multiple purposes, and it's another rare milestone which I have collaborated from Nelson and from other standard textbooks. We're going to start the class very soon. We have amazing participants. We have amazing students who are jumping here and there. Hello Sunita. Hello Chavi. Hello Rohan, Anurag, Vamik. Hello everyone. Hello amazing people. बस अभी जल्दी से अच्छी अच्छी क्लास स्टार्ट करेंगे. I just need to share the link, the live link, so that everyone is helpful. I hope you guys are doing well in the COVID times. Be very careful. Third wave is coming, which is very common in children. You know, be very careful. Yes, we're gonna start the class now. Yes, it's 8:04. Very good, very good. Everyone looks very happy, very excited. Belated happy Janmashtami to everyone. And let's start the amazing show. Okay, okay, we have so many students who are there already there. ठीक है, मैं अच्छा हूँ रघुवंश, आप कैसे हो? अच्छा है, यहाँ भी आ गया रघुवंश। अभी शाम, अभी दिन में तो मिले थे रघुवंश, दोबारा हम यहाँ फिर मुलाकात होगी हमारी। Yes. Okay. So yeah, let's start. Hello everyone. Welcome to Pediatrics by Dr. Anand. I hope my voice is audible to everyone. Hello Dinesh. Hello Sarthi. Hello Prachi. Hello Manoj. And hello amazing people who are already there. Right now we had 30 students. Now we have 145. Sounds great. And today's topic of choice, we're going to talk about, milestones. Okay, milestones. Okay, all my voices are working very well. My audio, video, my internet connection, everything is awesome. Okay, so we're going to start the class now. Okay, success is not final. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage that counts. It is the courage that counts. So, most importantly, failure is a part of life. Success is not final. See, success will come and go. Success will come and go. Success will come and go. Failure also will come and go. But it is the courage. It is the courage that counts. So, I want every one of us have to have the maximum courage in whatever you're doing in your life. Okay, strong, you have to be very strong. Say we are strong. Okay, you are amazing. Next. Yes, so the top class milestones for today's topic is, for topic number one, which type of walking is this very cute milestone which you can enlighten. We have Anjana who is answering. Any amazing people? Anjana, uh, Saroj, Anju, Richa, our Raghuvansh, Mani Tripathi. So Siddhi, yes. So, what kind of walking is this? Can anyone put a comment section? I'll give you 10 seconds to think. It's like a amazing quiz which you can participate. Which type of walking is this? Yes, very good, very good. So Himanshu has the best answer. And again, to everyone, we are sitting at home and having a webinar. Sometimes there will be a mild glitch in the internet connection. Sometimes it could be from your end, it could be from my end. Don't get puzzled, don't get panicked, relax. Within 10 seconds, automatically the voice and the connection becomes all right. Okay, so don't panic. Yeah, this is normal for the internet connection to go here and there. Okay, so yes, very good. We have Anju, we have Raghuvansh, Anjana, Saroj, Rekha, and Bhagesh Kumari who is answering. It's tiptoe walking. Very good. Can anyone help me out? When can a baby have tiptoe walking? कब करता है बच्चा? When can a baby have a tiptoe walking? Any random guesses? At what age basically this tiptoe walking comes? What do you think? Any random guesses? Yes, very good. So tiptoe, a baby can run a tiptoe walking by 2 to 2.5 years. 2 to 2.5 years, a baby can run tiptoe walking. Tiptoe walking. ठीक है? हाँ, that's okay, no problem. You're allowed to participate. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, गलत हो जाएगा. But मैं हूँ ना help करने के लिए. A baby can tiptoe walk by 2 to 2.5 years. This is the first milestone you can see. छोटा बच्चा ऐसे tiptoe walk करता है by 2 to 2.5 years. Remember that, okay? Very important. Next question. Can anyone tell me any abnormal causes of tiptoe walking? Now you have to use your brains. You have to use your amazing brains. When like 7 causes, can anyone tell me some causes of baby who can basically have tiptoe walking? Any random guesses? That's okay, Raghuvansh. Trying is the best answer. So, what are the causes of tiptoe walking in a child? Most importantly, have you heard of spastic CP? Have you heard of cerebral palsy? Yes or no? Have you heard of cerebral palsy? So, in a case of cerebral palsy, yes, the baby can have tiptoe walking. These are the very high yield, super speciality, yet amazing milestones questions. So, you must participate. A baby can do tiptoe walking, but the abnormal tiptoe walking, it is seen in what you called spastic CP, number one. Number two, unilateral hip dislocation. Yes or no? Okay, do you agree? Yes or no? Number one was spastic cerebral palsy. Number two, the second important cause of tiptoe walking is unilateral hip dislocation. Whatever I'm telling you, learn here only. Don't know, learn revising later. Okay, very good. Yes, scissoring gait is that only. Yes, tiptoe walking. Very true. Scissoring gait is that only. Very right. Okay, next, the third important thing, congenital, what you called shortening of the Achilles tendon. Yes or no? Am I making sense to you? This is Achilles tendon and congenital shortening of the Achilles tendon. Yes or no? You have to learn. Okay, tiptoe walk. What are we studying? Milestones. We just now covered one milestone that we can tiptoe walk by 2 years onwards. So, abnormal tiptoe walking, the causes will be spastic CP, unilateral hip dislocation, congenital shortening of the Achilles tendon, and what else? Have you heard of in some cases of prematurity, spinal tumor, and Duchenne muscular dystrophy? Duchenne muscular dystrophy. These all conditions you can see the tiptoe walking. Can anyone tell me what is DMD? I don't know. Can anyone tell me? I forgot the full form. Can anyone help me out? What is DMD? कहाँ पढ़ा है हमने? कोई dystrophy होता है ये? Can anyone tell me what is DMD in endocrinology? A child gives you something known as Gover sign. क्या होता है? Very good. So Himanshu is answering very nice. DMD is nothing but Duchenne muscular डिस्ट्रोफी, ड्यूशने मस्कुलर डिस्ट्रोफी, जिसके अंदर हमको गोवर साइन मिलता है. ठीक है. सो दीज ऑल आर द कॉजेज ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंट कॉजेज ऑफ टो वॉकिंग in baby. It can be a simple 5 marks question for your theory exam, and we have covered nicely. It's one of the very smart questions. If the examiner has to make the paper tough, he will ask. Okay, done. Okay, next question. When can a baby clap hands? The second milestone question of the day is, when can a baby clap hands? 5 minutes over, 25 minutes left for the class. When can a baby clap hands? Any random guesses? Let's see if anyone can answer and help me out. When can a baby clap hands? What do you think? Anyone? Anyone? Yes. So when can a baby clap hands? Yes, very good, very good. Okay, a baby can clap hands by 12 months. A baby can clap hands by 12 months. Okay, when can a baby clap hands? A baby can clap hands by 12 months. That is the first sign. Okay, very good. Next important question. When can a baby differentiate from stranger and familiar faces? This is something which was there in the OP guide. When can a baby differentiate from stranger and familiar faces? That is known as, what are we talking here? We're talking about stranger anxiety. Yes or no? So कब आता है stranger anxiety? A stranger anxiety basically comes by 9 months. Stranger anxiety comes by 9 months. Yes or no? Are you understanding? These are the some amazing milestones which we must know. Okay. So stranger anxiety, yes. Some book says 8 to 9 months, some book says 9 months. So chalega. Range is always fine. Okay. Stranger anxiety comes by 9 months. Next question. When it is expected from a baby to understand no? You saw that pink movie, Tapsi Panno? No means no. So it was a nice movie. Okay. Have you seen Raghuvansh? Did you see the movie? So no. So when it is expected from a baby to understand no, and what do you think? Any random guesses? Yes, very good, very good. So it is expected from a baby to say no by, usually by, you can say that by 9 months. By 9 months. Please remember, yes, Himanshu has the best answer. See, these four questions, the answer is same. Number one, when it is expected from a baby to say no, the answer is 9 months. When can a baby shout to gain attention? When can a baby shout to gain attention? The answer is 9 months. When can a baby say bisyllables or bye bye? Bye bye. That also 9 months. So four questions, one answer. Four questions, one answer. A baby can say bye bye by 9 months. He can shout to gain attention by 9 months. He is expected to say no. Yes, the students who are answering, Himanshu is answering very nicely. Abul Sheikh, yes, beautiful answer he is doing. Supriya, Sakshi, our favorite Raghuvansh Mani Tripathi, this from Chittorgarh. He's also right. Anju is right. Jyoti, Anuradha, and Anjana. Amazing people. Perfect. Perfect answer. I hope you're understanding. We have covered 6 to 7 milestones and few more to go. A baby can pull to stand. Pull to stand. When can a baby be pulled to stand? Stand. Any idea? When can a baby got pulled to stand by how many months? Can anyone tell me? Pull to stand. You can say kind of a stand with support. Kind of a stand with support only, right? Pull, matlab, I have to pull him to make him stand, but I will support him. So standing with support comes by, yes, Raghuvansh Mani Tripathi from Chittorgarh is right. Vikram, yes, right. Vandana, yes. Himanshu, yes. And Tanishq Goyal is right. Okay. Okay. From Gorakhpur, okay, not from Chittorgarh, from Gorakhpur. So a baby can pull to stand by 9 to 12 months. Are you understanding? We are covering amazing milestones. A baby can pull to stand by 9 to 12 months. A baby is expected to understand no by 9 months. A baby, stranger anxiety comes by 9 months. 8 to 9 months, it's okay, chalega. A baby can clap hands by 12 months. A baby can clap hands by 12 months. Next question. A child is very imaginative at around what years of life? A child is very imaginative. A child is very imaginative at what years of life? Let's see if anyone can answer this question. A child is very imaginative. Okay, a child is very imaginative at what years of life? I'll give you 20 seconds to think. What do you think? What do you think? It's a wonderful question. Is this session for nursing students? This session is for nursing students who are preparing for theory exams. This session is for anyone who is studying pediatrics. Milestone is a topic which is there in everywhere. It's there in MBBS also. It is there in nurses also. It is there in super specialty also. If you have a topic of milestone, this session is for you. A child is very imaginative at around what years of life? Any random guesses? What do you think? Yes, very good. Amazing. We have students who are answering like crazy. Himanshu is always right. Himanshu says 4 years. Pinky says 4 years. This Pranati says 4 years. Amazing, amazing. Yes, Ravindra, so many students. Yes, amazing people we have in the crowd. A child is very imaginative at around 4 years of life. Number one. Number two, when can a baby follow one step command? Now, this is a very important question. This is a very important question for nurses students as well as for MBBS. When can a baby follow one step command? When can a baby follow two step command and three-step command? Very important. Let's see if you can try your best to answer. Raghuvansh Mani Tripathi from Gorakhpur. Sir, please help us out. Akriti, Surendra, Siddhi, Nanda. When can a baby, follow one-step command? So please remember 18 months. 18 months. 18 months old baby can follow a one-step command. Like give me a doll, please. If I tell a baby, you give me a doll, doll यहाँ लेकर आओ अपनी. So this simple one-step command, 18-month-old baby can follow. Raghuvansh Mani Tripathi from Chittorgarh is very right. Himanshu is right. Very good, very good. कोई बात नहीं. स्वरूप says मैं हर बार भूल जाता हूँ. कोई बात नहीं डियर, आप ट्राई करते रहो, बार बार ट्राई करते रहो, हो जाएगा यार, कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है. A baby can follow a one-step command. Give me a doll. Give me my doll. The answer is 18 months. Now, two-step command. Let's see if anyone can answer in our this thing. Yes, Jitendra, मैंने TMU से PG किया है. Thank you. So, two-step command. Two-step command is pick up a ball and put in the basket. I'm telling a child, pick up a ball, pick up your ball and put in the basket. So it's a two-step command. Okay. So it's very important. Please remember. Kuch idea. Praniti, what do you think? One-step command, baby can follow by 18 months. What about a two-step command? Any random guesses? Yes, we have Anjana, Tani, Monisha, Kastub Khetre, Kostub, nice name, Ravi, and Jitendra Khushwaha. क्या नाम है? खुश हो गया मैं सुन के. So this baby now is putting the doll or putting a cloth in the basket. Please remember, so 2.5 years. 2.5 years. These two questions are important. 2.5 years. A baby in general can follow one step command by 18 months and two step command by 2.5 years. Two step command by 2.5 years. समझ में आ रहा है? अच्छे से पढ़ना है. You have to revise everything. जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं, finish here only. Don't go home and study again. That's it. यही खत्म करना है. 1.5 year, one step command. 2.5 year, two step command. देखो आसान नहीं है. 1.5 year, one step command. 2.5 year, two step command, है ना? अब 3 years पे मतलब ये 3 step command कब होगा? By 5 years. By 5 years, a baby can follow 3 step command by 5 years. है ना? समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा? 1 step command by 1.5 year, 2 step command by 2.5 years, and 3 step command by 5 years. 3 step command by 5 years. Very good. ठीक है? Very good, Barkat, Bhargesh, Raghuvansh, Mani Tripathi from London, and Praniti, yes, Pinky, yes, and Monisha. Very good, very good. Amazing, amazing people. Okay. Yeah, so we have done that already. Okay, can anyone tell me when can a baby identify 1 to 2 colors? When can a baby identify? When can a baby identify 1 to 2 colors? Any random guesses? What do you think? When can a baby identify 1 to 2 colors? So the students participating are Tani, Praniti, Himanshu. Himanshu is always answering very nicely. Praniti also, and our this from Chittorgarh, our this fellow also is answering very nicely. Raghuvansh, Mani Tripathi. So yes, any random guesses? This I have taught you last time. Please remember, anyone? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the mnemonic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the mnemonic. A baby can identify 1 to 2 colors by 3 years and 4 colors by 5 years. This is the mnemonic. A baby can identify 1 to 2 colors by 3 years and 4 colors by 5 years. Are you understanding? Simple, simple. A baby can identify 1 to 2 colors by 3 years and 4 colors by 5 years. The mnemonic is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finish, finish. 20 minutes over, 20 minutes left, then the class is over. A baby can count 10 by how many years? A baby can count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Tell me, a baby can count 10 by how many years? Let's see. Students participating are Jasleen, Supriya, Pavani, Lalita Kumari Meena, and Fawad. So, yes, very good. Amazing answers you're giving. A baby can count 10 by 4 years. A baby can count 10 by 4 years. This segment, we're doing a rare milestone, some difficult interpreting milestones. You must know them. Okay, baby should understand to say no by 9 months, bye bye 9 months, tiptoe walking 2 years onwards like that. ठीक है ना? समझ में आ रहा है? रघुवंश समझ में आ रहा है आपको? ज्योति, श्रुति, हिमांशु, perfect. So a baby can count 10 by 4 years. Okay. When can a baby throw a ball? When can a baby throw a ball overhead without falling? Again, this is like a test for you. You know, if you have read Milestone, this is like a very tough test for you. मतलब ये अगर ये आ जाए आपको तो आपको PhD हो जाएगी Milestone में. When can a baby throw a ball overhead without falling? Any random guesses? What do you think? Yes, very good. Jasleen is nice. Very good. Lalit Kumari Meena. Raghuvansh. Yes, very good. Ravi Shekhar. Very good. So please remember, a baby can throw a ball overhead without falling by 2 years. Without falling by 2 years. When can a baby kick a ball? Any idea? When can a baby kick a ball? Or when can a baby walk backwards? Any random guesses? रघुवंश, कहीं नाम सुने इन चीजों का? कहीं पढ़ा है कभी लाइफ में? मैं बेटा आज पढ़ाया था नहीं पढ़ाया था? अगर जे तुमने गलत जवाब दिया तो देखो तुम्हारा क्या करना है फिर. रघुवंश, मणि त्रिपाठी. हाँ, so when can a baby kick a ball? Very good. Jasleen, Pinky, Poonam, Siddhi, Renu, Bhavika, Soni, and Jitendra Kushwaha. Yes, Jitendra Kushwaha. I am from TMU से ही मैंने अपना PG किया है pediatrics में. ठीक है, तो हाँ बताओ फिर जल्दी. A baby can kick a ball. A baby can kick a ball by same 2 years. A baby can walk backwards same 2 years. So all 3 questions, 1 answer. That is how we have to link and study. Okay. Very good, Bhagesh, Jitendra, Pradeep, Vishal, Himanshu. Amazing students, amazing crowd. Happy to see, happy to help. So a baby can throw a ball without falling, like overhead without falling. It's 2 years. A baby can kick a ball by 2 years. A baby can walk backwards by 2 years. है ना? So you should know that. Very good. Next, yes, amazing question. When can a child give you his or her home address? What do you think? This is like crazy, crazy questions. आप लोग सोच रहे हो कि कहाँ से आते हैं ये क्वेश्चन, समझ में नहीं आते. So anyone? Saroj Anand, Poonam, anyone? Nidhi, Bhanu, Prakash Jha, Jasleen Kaur, Raghuvansh, Mani Tripathi, and Jitendra Kushwaha. Actually, he was there in the PG time. Okay, nice, nice. That's nice to see, Dr. Jitendra. Okay, when please can anyone help me? When can a child give you her home address? So home address means like I'm trying to ask you a question. When can a child understand complex instructions? When can a child give you complex instructions? Any random guesses? Yes. Now people are answering very nicely. Jalandhar, Pradhan, Patel, Ishan, and Mahendra. Very good. Very good. So, a child giving you his home address means they understand complex instructions. They so at this time only means they choose their own friends and they enjoy imaginative play. And everything comes by 4 years. Please remember, we have like four questions. The answer is 4 years. Question number one. Question number one. When can a child give you his home address? The answer is 4 years. Question number two, when can a child understand complex instructions? The answer is again 4 years. When can a child choose their own friends? This is my friend, this is your friend. They can choose their own friends by 4 years. And imaginative play, अभी पहले ही हमने अभी कुछ slides पहले ही हमने खत्म किया imaginative play. The answer is 4 years. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया सबको? Any idea? Very good students we have. Happy students. Very good. Okay, when can a child play alone? When can a child play alone without parents? When can a child play alone without parents? Let's see if anyone can answer. I'll give you 10 seconds. 30 minutes over, 10 more minutes left, then this session is over. Thank you so much for the participation. We have more than 200 students. खाली 100 allowed करने थे, 250 लोग हैं हमारे पास अभी. Okay, so a baby can play alone without parents by 2 to 3 years. By 2 to 3 years. Okay, a baby can play alone without parents 2 to 3 years. Any idea when can a baby knows his full name, age, and sex? When can a baby knows his full name, age, and sex? I am Rahul. I am 4 year old. I am a boy. A baby knows his full name, age, and sex by 3 years. Very good. A baby can go to toilet alone. Any idea? A baby can go to toilet alone by very good 4 years. So a baby knows his full name, age, and sex by 3 years. A baby can go to toilet alone by 4 years. Okay, very good, very good. Amazing students we have. Beautiful answer you're going. Moti ki tarah aap answer kar rahe ho. Supriya, Vishal, Lalita, Chandrakant, Pinky, and Rachna Tripathi. Very good. A baby knows his full name, age, and sex by 3 years. A baby can go to toilet alone by 4 years. Very good. Okay, yeah, this is a very good question. We have Raghuvansh, we have Prakash. Let's see if anyone can answer. So the question is, yes, Jalandhar Pradhan, the question is, a child can simple cut with scissors by how many years? Like when can a child do a simple cut with scissors, and when can a child, do a good cut with the scissors, like cutting the paper in half? Now, if this question you answer, मैं भी तुम्हें मतलब 20 rupees वाली डेयरी मिल्क दूंगा, but मान जाऊंगा मैं अगर तुम ये आंसर कर दो. Let's see if you can anyone can answer this. It's a very good question. A child can do simple cuts by scissors by how many years, and good cut like cutting the paper in half by how many years? Let's see. The student participating for this question are Ravi, Shekhar, Patel Ishan, Pinky, Renu, Chudasma, and Tanzil, and Sajan Nehra. And yes, Supriya. Okay, very good. So give me the best answer. So the winner for this question is Dr. Rucha. Dr. Rucha said a baby can do good cut with scissors by 5 years and simple cut by 3 years. Okay, simple cut by 3 years and good cut with scissors by 5 years. Okay. Simple cut with scissors 3 years, and good cut by 5 years. Can anyone help me out? When can a baby ride a tricycle? बच्चा ट्राईसाइकिल कब चलाता है? कुछ आइडिया? When can a baby ride a tricycle? Any random guesses? Last 10 minutes left for the session. 30 minutes over. वक्त का पता ही नहीं चलता साथ में. जिंदगी ऐसी ही होती है, वक्त चलता ही रहता है बस. Okay, so anyone? Yes, very good. So please remember 3, 4, 5. Very good. 3 matlab try, right? Try. So baby can ride a tricycle by 3 years. A baby can do hopping by 4 years, and skipping. Bacha rasa kab kudta hai? Skipping by 5 years. Very good. The answers given right are by sab nahi de diye सही आंसर, तो very good. लाइन से दिया, लाइन से आंसर, मतलब 50 लोगों ने एक साथ आंसर कर दिया, मैं नाम ही भूल गया सबके. Sneha, Tanzil, Anuradha, Sneha again, Rachna, our favorite Raghu Vansh, Mani Tripathi from England. Yes, a baby can ride a tricycle by 3 years, hopping by 4 years, and skipping by 5 years. Done. Next. Yes, अब ये एक और महान milestone question, जिसको देख के आधे students को आएंगे चक्कर. The question is, which one is not a car? I'm giving the baby a photograph of cars and dogs. I'm asking the baby which one is not a car. I'm asking the baby which one is not red in this picture. So what I'm doing, I am asking a question that when can a child understands negatives? Let's see who answered this question. जो ये आंसर जीते बोले बताएगा, उसको मिलेगा 100 करोड़ रुपए इनाम. बताइए आंसर इसका क्या है? इसका आंसर, when can a child understand negatives? Which is not a car in this list. Like इन सब में भालू कौन सा नहीं है, ठीक है? इन सब में which one is not red in this picture? Which one is not white in this picture? Are you understanding? Like that is a very nice question. मुझे क्वेश्चन सुन के बड़ा मजा आ गया, अच्छा लगा, अच्छा क्वेश्चन है ये. हाँ जी बताओ जी, डॉक्टर साहब बताइए, कौन बताएगा? The students participating are Renu, Rachna, Siddhi, Suresh, Alia Bhatt, Meenakshi, Abhijit, Rucha, Anjana, Rachna, and Saroj Anand. Anand, I am Anand. He's Saroj Anand. Okay. हाँ जी बताओ. Very good. Please remember, by 3 years, a baby can understand negatives by 3 years. You know. And also a child can count till 10. अभी पीछे भी बताया था मैंने. A child can count till 10 by 3 years. ठीक है, 3 is the best answer. So भानु ने सही आंसर दिया इसका. वेरी गुड भानु. प्रकाश झा ने सही आंसर दिया. बाकी सबने कोई और ही आंसर दिया है किसी और किताब पढ़ के. ठीक है. 35 minutes over, 5 minutes left, then the session is over. Okay, 5 last 5. Okay. हाँ. So child can understand negatives by roughly by 3 years. Nelson says roughly by 3 years. That you should know. Okay. Okay. A child can draw a basic man with head, eyes, and 4 limbs by how many years? A basic man with head, eyes. अच्छा eyes मैंने पहले बना दी. 4 limbs. अयो 4 limbs कैसे बनाऊं? मेरी बहुत गंदी हैंड है वो है यार. One limb, 2 limb, 3 limb, 4 limb. ठीक है. सिद्धि बड़ा अच्छा आंसर कर रहे बेटा आप. शीतल नाइस आंसर. चंद्रकांत कीप इट अप. ओके बताइए इसका आंसर. सो अ चाइल्ड ड्रॉ अ बेसिक मैन with head, eyes, and 4 limbs by how many years? Let's see who will answer. Who? Raghuvansh Mani Tripathi from Jalandhar. Yes bro, please answer. हाँ जी जसलीन बताइए मैडम क्या होगा इसका आंसर? क्या करेंगे इतना धनराशि का? So the answer is 4 years. Yes, right. सही जा रहे हो सब. Saroj Anand has given the best answer, 4 years. So 4 limbs ना, a baby can draw 4 limbs. So it means 4 years का बच्चा है ये. ठीक है, मतलब 4 years. 4 years. Are you understanding? Yes or no? Vishal Kesri. Yes. Farzana Khan. Very good. Yes. Shivani, Abul, Anju, and Ravinder. Yes, very right. ठीक है ना? हो गया done? Done. चलो done हो गया. When can a baby bounce and catch a ball? Anyone? When can a baby bounce and catch a ball by how many years? Raghuvansh Mani Tripathi from Bangalore. What do you think? Bharti, Patel, Dinesh, Vandana, Moni, Mala, and Raghuvansh. हाँ जी बताइए. 34 minutes over. 3 minutes left, then the class is over. Thank you so much for the participation. Only 3 minutes left. When can a baby bounce and catch a ball? When you will bounce yourself and catch a ball. Yes, very right. Very right. Okay. 5 years. 5 years. Yes. Sonia is right. Pinky is right. Sharon is right. Sajan is right. And Shivi Chaudhary is very right. Okay. जो right नहीं है, it's okay. अगली बार right हो जाएंगे. क्या होगा? छोटी सी लाइफ है. चिल मारना, खुश रहना, खुश, बिल्कुल खुश, एकदम पागल की तरह खुश, मेरी तरह. ठीक है. ठीक है. रघुवंश, यू हैव माय नंबर. रघुवंश मुझे व्हाट्सएप करो एक बार. आई डोंट हैव योर नंबर. हाँ जी ठीक है. अ बेबी कैन बाउंस एंड कैच अ बॉल बाय 5 years. अ बेबी कैन बाउंस एंड कैच अ बॉल बाय 5 years. एंड प्लीज एंड रिमेंबर, आई विल हैव अ बेस्ट फ्रेंड बाय नाउ. So next important question, when can a baby have best friend? Okay, mom, she's my best friend. Okay, yes, a baby can have best friend by 5 years. Okay, a baby can have best friend by 5 years. ये कभी नहीं भूलना, ठीक है, कि अब ये मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, बोलते हैं छोटा बच्चा कहता है. तो 5 years, बेबी will remember that I will have a best friend by now. Okay, and he will bounce and catch a ball and give to his best friend. Remember that way. Okay, ऐसे याद करना है. Baby is bouncing the ball and he will catch a ball and he will catch and give the ball to his best friend by 5 years. ठीक है. This is a very beautiful point. At 5 years, children, they gravitate towards selected friends. At 5 years, it is a wonderful observation actually. By 5 years, they gravitate towards selected friends and they form this close knit circle of 2 to 3 friends. I remember my niece's birthday was there. She was 5 year old, I remember. And it was very funny. Like all people had come to her birthday, but वो सिर्फ 2-3 लड़कियों के साथ ही बैठी थी. सिर्फ दो के साथ, एक तो खुद थी. तो मैंने कहा तुम बैठो ना, तुम सबके साथ क्यों नहीं बैठ रही करके. तो शी इज लाइक नहीं. शी इज लाइक हमारे हम दिस इज आवर क्लोज ग्रुप like that. And she was 5 years old. So a 5 year old actually they form a close knit. लड़कियों में होता है ऐसा. 5 year old they form a close knit of 2 to 3 friends कि भाई यही हमारे क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड. और ये सच है, मैंने लिटरली देखा 5 साल के बच्चों में उनके क्लोज फ्रेंड्स बनते हुए कि ये मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, हमारा एक क्लोज ग्रुप बन गया. अब तो टाइप्स समझ गए. ये अच्छे से करना है. ठीक है. Okay, my mobile number is 9999897081. This is our mobile number for the free WhatsApp, Telegram, and WhatsApp and Facebook groups. You can put your question, any doubt in this number. I will add you in the respective group. And जाने से पहले, if you cannot do great things, do small things in great way. If you cannot do great things, do small things in great way. बड़े बड़े सब्जेक्ट्स कवर हों या ना हो, छोटे सब्जेक्ट्स को बहुत ही बढ़िया तरीके से कवर करो. जिंदगी भगवान की एक बहुत महंगी गिफ्ट है, इसे यू वेस्ट मत करो. यू आर सेल्फ सफिशिएंट. यू हैव एवरीथिंग इन लाइफ. यू वर born to rock and you are already rocking. Just have this perception in mind. हम किसी से कम नहीं, हम में, बाकी पानी कम है. कोई आए जिंदगी में, नो टेंशन. कोई जाए तो भी नो टेंशन. बी हैप्पी एंड बी वाइज. ओके, बी अमेजिंग. वो कहते हैं ना, वो एक थी ना कहावत मैंने की पढ़ी थी, कहते आओगे तो वेलकम, जाओगे तो भीड़ कम. आओगे तो वेलकम, जाओगे तो भीड़ कम. ऐसा एटीट्यूड रखें, अच्छे से पढ़ाई करें. And thank you so much for this wonderful evening. Thank you so much for the participation. Please put WhatsApp पे आ जाओ. Let me know how did you like the class. अच्छी लगी, गंदी लगी, बहुत अच्छी लगी, कैसी लगी, मुझे बताओ WhatsApp पे आके. My mobile number is 9999897081. Thank you so much for the participation and have a wonderful evening ahead. मैं जा रहा हूँ, मेरा खाना